$1,000 for this. क्या कर रहे हो आप? ये तो मतलब छोड़ो, नहीं खरीदना है. 400.
अरे वाओ
700.
तो 950 कर दें।
और मेरे लिए
600.
600 नहीं
750. 600 में दोगे? दे दोगे?
What did he say?
600.
You could have made it a little
Okay.
lesser,
नहीं
but
नहीं, एक सेकेंड, सॉरी 500. I actually don't like shopping.
what? Being a girl, recent show that you were in, Rise and Fall.
Before entering the show, मुझे ये कहा गया था कि
Hi everyone, this is me Gaga and हम आज आए हैं Bandra West, Hill Road. I will be going to another market which is again at Hill Road called the Sona Market with nobody but Dhanushree Verma. आपने गली फैशन शायद देखा होगा
yes,
एंड गागा के बारे में सुना होगा.
Of course.
सो हम आपकी आज कैसे मदद कर सकते हैं?
मुझे 2 looks चाहिए. Maybe I would want to go little casual because
Okay.
that's my vibe. Very street hip hoppy. So one we can keep casual. One I'll let you decide.
Okay, perfect.
So-
All right, let's go. I would love to start by asking you this question. When did you come street shopping the last time?
It's been a long time.
It's been a long time.
It's been a long time.
And what's your go-to fashion statement?
I love something that's comfortable, like casuals, because I love wearing like baggy, low waist.
you look
No,
stunning.
today I went little different. But-
Living for this skirt. Do you want to take a twirl?
Twirl?
Love it, love it.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. तू पण बहु फाइन लागू छे.
यहाँ पे मैंने हमेशा बहुत सी प्यारी प्यारी ड्रेसेस देखी है.
Nice.
So let's see if we
I like
end up
this
finding
red.
something. Oh, you love the red? So
Not
red is
bad.
your favorite color?
I like red. Yeah.
You love red.
I don't know. It's bright at the same time. Winters में भी पहन सकते हैं. Summers में भी पहन
Like,
सकते हैं.
it goes in
it's-
any
It
season,
goes
yeah.
with everything. So I
Yeah.
like red.
Yeah, I mean, I don't
I
mind.
think my skin also looks better if I wear red.
Yeah, so you glow.
I glow.
Talking about the recent show that you were in, Rise and Fall. I know सभी लोग वहाँ पे सबसे ugliest orange jumpsuit पहने हुए थे. I probably feel you have just worn that outfit once,
Yes. Just
and
one.
throughout you have styled yourself. You are the most fashionist diva
Oh,
on that
wow.
show. So how did you feel not wearing that ugly jumpsuit and being
Honestly,
you throughout?
it was a lot of pressure because before entering the show, मुझे ये कहा गया था कि आधे अच्छे कपड़े लेके जाने हैं, like all your style yourself and go in the show, and आधे तो you'll have to wear the basement clothes, So I said ठीक है, okay, manage हो जाएगा. Turns out मैं कभी basement में गई नहीं. So I had to style myself every single day. So it was little pressure, but I think I pulled it off.
Of course you did. I mean, that's why we were watching that show. Also, चलो आप जरा ड्रेसेस दिखा दो जो इन पे और ज्यादा खूबसूरत दिखे.
She was blue.
How about
Wow.
wow?
Wow, article. This is
What do you
नया,
have to say?
ये नया
Yeah.
सुन रही हूँ मैं. Wow.
What do you have to say about this?
This is nice.
It's pretty.
You like this color? I like this
I love
color.
this. It's very playful.
Hmm.
Since you also mentioned that you wanted to buy something in darker color, so I think this could be it. So either I would say this or the red one. If I have to keep this one aside,
So I think the red looks better.
the red
right?
looks better anytime. It looks classy. It looks expensive. It looks like
looks
a designer outfit. मैम खूबसूरत है तो हमें खूबसूरत चीजें ही खरीदनी है और लाल उनका सबसे फेवरेट रंग है. So I think हम इसके साथ
मेरी
हाँ,
इतनी तारीफ. We should go shopping every day.
है ना. Sounds like a plan. But अब बारी आती है bargaining करने की. So
Oh.
I don't know. Have you ever bargained? Have you like aced your bargaining skills?
Not aced and all I can't say.
So do you
But
wanna like?
attempt तो मार सकती हूँ.
So do you wanna do the honors
क्या है?
and take over?
कितने का है मुझे?
आप मुझे नहीं उनको देखो.
Last क्या है?
Code words, huh? They are using code words. Huh?
700.
आपने उनको कहा 700 750 से, आप मेरा प्राइस 600, इससे बेस्ट कुछ नहीं हो सकता है।
देखो उधर देख के स्माइल
अच्छा,
करो, टीवी
six-
पे आओगे।
हाँ,
600
ठीक है,
Yay! 600
600 नहीं 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 600 600 600 डन
1800 हो
एंड
गया।
डील। नहीं नहीं नहीं
1800
600 दे दो, पैक कर दो, नहीं तो हम ऐसे ही ले जाएंगे।
पर ये
हाँ।
मेरा साइज है कि नहीं?
38 कैरी करते हो आप?
कैरी तो कर सकते हैं।
जी तो आ
हाँ,
जाएगा।
I think this will fit you
This will fit
looking at it. ठीक है, आप ये दे दो 600 में। But do you like what you have shopped as of now?
I like the color.
हाँ, आपका दिल आ गया लाल पे,
लाल
हाँ, लालिश,
लाल
और
परी।
dining
लाल
table
परी। Let's
Thank you.
because if you're gonna wear this in Bombay,
Melt.
yeah.
Melt in Mumbai.
कितना है इसका? 2000. You know,
2000.
honestly, the same fabric, in fact, a much better fur. You'll get it like for less than 700 in Sarojini Market. I so wish to go to
I've been
Sarojini.
to Sarojini Market.
Again,
wanna
another
try?
dress. Like yeah, let's go here.
But
हम आ सकते हैं?
दोनों dresses नहीं लेते हैं ना?
हाँ. I think we'll go a little sexy now. A little bit of skin show.
Okay.
I love this.
Oh,
Honestly,
nice.
if we could just do like a nice white crop top, like something like
Like
what you're
this.
already wearing
Okay.
in, and you just wear on top of that. आपके पास mirror है?
Yes.
What's
Oh,
it?
nice.
हाँ. Like I also like what you're already wearing. इसके
Hmm.
ऊपर भी ये जा सकता है.
We can maybe remove this jacket
And just
wear
with
this tube.
and we'll accessorize it. Maybe a
Yeah.
nice choker necklace.
That is good.
I love this. Wow, that was quick. But is your
But
heart
I am
on
a
it?
quick shopper. Like
Love, love, love.
15 minute max.
So how often do you shop?
I actually don't like shopping
What? Being a girl, you don't like shopping. How is
No.
that possible?
because I think bachpan se dad used to buy clothes for
How
me.
sweet.
So he would always get some nice clothes. And same likings होती थी, ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ है कि my father got clothes for me and I was like ये क्या लेके आ गए. I used to love it and he has amazing sense of
Wow.
like
You're blessed.
yeah, I'm blessed, I'm blessed. तो I was never in the habit of कि मैं जाके shopping करूँ. तो कभी interest ही नहीं आया. So even now it's either like online or like stylists and
Of course, yeah.
all of that. That's about it. If you would call me up and be like, Dhana, let's go shopping. I was like, can we go and eat, please?
Wow,
I
wow.
prefer eating.
So food over clothes.
yes.
Okay, cool. So
No, but I'm enjoying this.
I mean, when you're with Gaga,
Yes.
come on. But yes, I love this.
Yeah, I think it's a
It looks
very nice ombre
Yeah.
skirt.
We can do some beautiful choker
Oh,
necklace
yeah,
in silver,
nice,
and we can add some
nice.
jhumkas and some stacked with
I
bangles.
like the sound of that.
So ऐसे कर
yeah,
सकते
let's
हैं।
do it.
चलो देखते हैं.
अभी
अब
भैया!
आती है इनकी बारी. Do
अभी
you wanna
आपकी बारी.
try?
आप इस पूरे सेगमेंट के मेन हीरो बताओ कितने का है ये?
हाँ. अरे
650.
ये मैंने 500 में लिया है. 500 में लिया ना?
500 में
हाँ.
लिया।
तो आप वो क्या? ये तो ड्रेस है. वो तो सिर्फ ड्रेस का आधा पीस है. हाँ.
Yes.
Please do it, and I will just look something for myself.
500 he's saying. Are we good with that?
Go down a little. You can try.
अच्छा वो देखो मेरे को टास्क दिया है. ये अगर मैं टास्क करूंगी कंप्लीट तो मुझे ढेर सारा आशीर्वाद मिलेगा. अगर आप 500 बोल रहे हो तो हम इसको 400 करें. 450. 1 second ना. गागा 450. Wait, Gaga and Dhana discussion.
Okay. You can try. I mean, if you get it for that amount, I'll be very proud of you.
400.
Arey, wow! This girl who has never been out for shopping has been able to bargain. Wow! चलो अच्छी बात है. So नहीं बैग नहीं. आप भी प्लास्टिक बैग्स मत यूज करो. आप पेपर बैग्स रखो. ऑर्डर दिया है ना. शुक्रिया शुक्रिया. Okay, so हम इस शॉप में थे. जिस शॉप का नाम है क्रॉस चेक. So हम
Cross
क्रॉस चेक
check.
से क्रॉस आउट होते हैं.
Cross out.
And let's go shop for some jewelry,
Yes.
which is just right opposite.
Hello भैया.
आप जरा सिल्वर में कोई चोकर नेकलेस या नेक
See, either we go with a choker or we go with jhumkas.
long earrings.
Yeah.
Do you like showing off your collarbones?
Yeah.
Huh?
We can do jhumkas otherwise.
Long heavy jhumkas.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. We can do that as well.
I think Gaga Let's lock this.
Huh?
ये
This
दोनों
ना?
साथ में पहन सकते हैं, like we
Do you
can,
want to
like,
try both first
Yeah,
and
ये
see
पता
how it
नहीं।
looks? Otherwise, I don't want it to look. Yeah, I love stacking. I love jewelry.
हाँ,
You think one is enough? I mean, try another one.
इसको ऐसे करके
actually
भी
ना,
पहन सकते
पता
हैं
है।
ना।
This is how you
हाँ।
wear it. Yeah, but this is easy.
Yeah.
I think two. Of course.
Two, na?
Of course, two.
Yeah.
Yeah, your hands are looking way pretty. Nice. One question.
Hmm.
Again, it's again related to fashion. So one
Okay.
fashion trend you want to rise, and one fashion trend you want to fall.
Oh, interesting. Maybe more of like street casual.
Mm-hmm.
I feel सब बहुत ही hectic way में ready होके निकलते हैं. Like everything has to be like tip top with like heels and like tight dresses and all of that. I feel it's good to like just let loose a little bit, more baggy and
I'll
low
buy that.
waist.
I'll buy
And
that.
like nice, really nice, cute tops or t-shirts,
Mhm.
long t-shirts, very best. Very
Sure,
best.
sure. I mean, that's
So I
what
think-
we are currently in.
No, not me.
But I like what you're wearing.
I'm loving the shopping time.
Yeah.
I love this.
हाँ. आपके पास ये है सिर्फ गोल्ड में. Oh
हाँ.
yeah. Wow.
But I still feel
This
this
yeah.
is-
Yeah. Yeah.
this has that
honestly,
edge, you know.
Yeah. So I think we'll end up buying this.
Yeah.
Do you wanna still give it a try? Because I am very proud of what you did back there. So please.
It's my energy. अभी सबका बताओ total.
200,
हाँ.
200,
Okay. ये 100 का है. तो ये 300. 300 plus 150, 450, 150, 600,
200,
800,
and 200.
$1,000 for this. क्या कर रहे हो आप? ये तो मतलब छोड़ो, नहीं खरीदना है.
He doesn't know what to say. He is totally blank.
I don't know what to
मतलब
say.
आप
1000 से
नहीं
मैं इसको
चाहते कि वो
300
कुछ
पे
खरीदे?
कैसे लेके आऊं?
हाँ, इतनी खूबसूरत हसीना आई है आपकी दुकान में. आप नहीं चाहते कि वो कुछ खरीदे. आप कहीं बोलती ही नहीं आ रही है मुंह से. कुछ तो बोलो. ये 1000 में दे रहे हैं हमें. And I think 1000 is a lot
A
for this little.
ज़्यादा नहीं मिलता है, एकदम reasonable
नहीं,
बताया
नहीं,
ना
नहीं.
आपको।
नहीं ब्रदर,
Brother.
बहुत ज्यादा है.
1000 is a lot. हमने
हाँ.
2 ड्रेसेस पता है कितने मिली है? 2 ड्रेसेस हमको 800 रुपए में मिल गई है.
सोचो.
हाँ, तो नहीं, dresses आपके पास 400 से, बाकी ये सब ना अगर आप प्रॉपर शॉप में लेंगे ना 400, 500 का
ये
single
तो प्रॉपर शॉप है. क्या
अरे
बात
तो
कर रहे हो?
टार्निश
अपने
भी
पास
हो
stock
जाएगा.
बहुत है.
ये तो टार्निश भी हो जाएगा.
इसका
एंटी
guarantee
टार्निश
है.
वाले होते तो फिर भी एक बार सोच लेते हम. बट अभी 1000 का आप कम बता
Budgeting
दीजिए.
नहीं.
देखो अभी आप कैमरा में भी आ चुके हो. हाँ, अब भाव तो हम थोड़ा खाएंगे ही. तो कर दो थोड़ा का.
चलो ये फाइनल प्राइस था, जस्ट आपके लिए करके दो ना. ठीक है.
और मेरे लिए चलो
ये
ठीक
लो
है ना.
margin
फॉर यू,
बता
फॉर हर. अब फॉर मी उनके लिए
बस 50-50 दोनों के लिए.
आपका ना मेरा 800 उससे 1 रुपया ना
ज़्यादा
ज्यादा
less
ना
हो
एक.
ज़्यादा
नहीं
less
नहीं
हो
800 परफेक्ट है.
ज़्यादा
800
less हो
आप
जाएगा.
कैमरा में हावी बोल दो. हाँ, तो अभी 800 हो गया. चलो भैया पैक कर दो इसको. ओके, सो आउटफिट और ज्वेलरी की शॉपिंग हो गई है. अभी हम आई डू वांट टू यूज दिस फुटवेयर ऑन वन ऑफ द लुक्स व्हिच इज द रेड ड्रेस. बट हम दूसरे आउटफिट के लिए कुछ फुटवेयर ले लेते हैं.
Let's see,
सो
let's
लेट्स गेट आउट फ्रॉम हियर वंस वी हैव द ज्वेलरी विद अस. So this is one shop in
Wow.
Sona Market that I love visiting.
I think even this is nice.
Yeah, I like that. It's nice, but it's too basic. It's not giving fashion. It's
Hmm.
not giving Dhanashri Verma. So it should give Dhanashri Verma. Am I right?
Yes. We go for something beige.
I think we can. That shouldn't be an issue. उसमें size होगा उनका? प्लीज दिखा दो यार. अब प्लीज साइज दिखा दो तो हम खुशी खुशी ले जा सके. And it's comfy, but madam, do you want to do the honors and do the bargaining?
कितने का है?
ठीक है बेटा, 750
750. 600 में दोगे? दे दोगे?
What did he say?
600. 750.
You could have made it a little
Okay.
less, sir.
नहीं
But
नहीं, एक सेकेंड. Sorry. 500.
अरे वो तुम्हारे लिए दिया वो.
500. 550.
Last
serious
बता
दिख
दो
रहे हो,
उनको.
बहुत सीरियस दिख रहे हो. 550. चाचा.
अरे वाह.
Thank you.
Honestly, I am very impressed.
थैंक यू सो मच।
नहीं नहीं उनको लेने दो ना, then
पर
we'll be-
आपकी शॉप बहुत अच्छी है,
हाँ।
मैं जरूर आऊंगी
हाँ,
वापस।
आपकी शॉप बहुत अच्छी है लेकिन हम प्लास्टिक बैग नहीं लेंगे, so thank you so much. All right, so look 1, look 2, which counts your red beautiful dress, the beautiful skirt that you'll be styling it with this crop top,
Yes.
and some jewelry and one pair of footwear. सब चीजों की शॉपिंग हो गई है।
Sorted.
So क्या कहना है आपका? How was this experience for you to get out on street and shop with Gaga?
I think this experience is going to spoil me because now I know I'm going to call Gaga and be like, listen, style खुद को करना है. Let's
done.
go out and bargain and get some good stuff.
Definitely. So I am very much looking forward to get you styled
Yeah,
in
and I'm
everything
looking
that we've purchased today. So let's make this happen.
Let's go.
Wow, that was so much fun. And considering the fact that you have not gone out shopping,
Yes.
आपको ज़माना हो चुका है doing street shopping. So let me just show you what all we have shopped for you today.
Yes, let's see.
So starting with this red dress, a beautiful red dress,
beautiful
which is
color.
for 600 rupees.
600. Yes,
Huh.
600.
And then we got this amazing skirt that is for 400.
400?
Yeah, 400.
Nice.
तुमने
Nice
नहीं तो
colors.
bargaining किया था इस चीज
Yes,
का.
yes, yes.
And round figure करके we got these jewelry for 800 rupees.
800.
Not bad. And last but not the least, we got this for 550 rupees. So considering the fact again, I mean, आप last कब गए थे street shopping करने? You have no idea, but you have really amazing bargaining skills. So I have to give it up to you for that. So I can't wait to see you get ready and styled by Gaga with all this that we have right in front
I'm
of our eyes.
excited.
So let's make this happen.
Let's go.